Is it the right time to buy or sell Shopify stock? Today, we are delving deeper into Shopify. Our initial report was released on our website on Friday, February 16, 2024, and now we're back with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead with updates that could impact your investment decisions. Make smarter trading choices with our cutting-edge AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Utilize AI technology for free price predictions and in-depth analysis on any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember, this video is for informational purposes only and not to be construed as financial advice. Since February 14, 2024, our system has ranked Shopify as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.72. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. So far, the stock has seen a gain of 0.77%. This means that on average, it has returned 0.26% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. This stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the last 3 months, there is a projected 18.18% change in the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 13.22% to 33.58%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend indicates a potential 56.63% change. This could result in a return between 8.76% and 76.08%. In terms of price, it translates to a range of $88.41 to $143.13 after a year. Our latest update on Shopify reveals that the stock price ended at $81.29 on Friday, experiencing a loss of 3.23%. On Friday, the Shopify stock price decreased by 3.23%, going from $84 to $81.29. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $80.35 and a high of $83.67, showing a 4.13% variation. Although the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by 1.98% for this period. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased along with the stock, which can be seen as a positive sign. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 2 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.11 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $91.57, while the lowest was $39.02. Presently, the price is 11.23% lower than the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $10.28. Furthermore, it is 95.39% below the all-time high reached on November 19, 2021, when the price soared to $1,762.92. Today, we will be looking at the latest analyst ratings for Shopify. On Wednesday, February 14, 2024, Piper Sandler gave Shopify an underweight grade with a hold action. Moving on to Friday, February 9, 2024, Wedbush gave Shopify an underperform grade with a hold action. Also on Friday, February 9, 2024, Mizuho Securities gave Shopify a buy grade with a hold action. Continuing on to Thursday, January 18, 2024, Barclays gave Shopify an equal weight grade with a hold action. And finally, on Monday, December 18, 2023, JMP Securities gave Shopify a perform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have unanimously given Shopify stock a buy rating. They highly recommend investing in Shopify, considering its PE ratio as a strong buy and price to book as also a strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts are confident in giving Shopify stock a strong buy rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Shopify stock. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal, while the long-term average shows a buy signal. Since the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance at around $84.41 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support at approximately $80.57 from the long-term average. Breaking above the short-term average would indicate a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have been observed, which may impact short-term development. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top point on Friday, February 9, 2024, resulting in a 10.39% decrease. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Currently, there is a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The decrease in volume along with the price during the last trading day reduces the overall risk, as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals to keep an eye on in your trading journey. First up, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence is currently indicating a sell signal. Another noteworthy signal is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 6 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands triggered a buy signal 5 days ago. When it comes to short-term moving averages, they too provided a sell signal 5 days back. Similarly, the long-term moving averages are also showing a sell signal from 5 days ago. Shifting focus to the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average gave a buy signal just 3 days ago. Moreover, the long-term moving average also signaled a buy 74 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more valuable signals and insights. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Shopify. On the downside, Shopify's stock finds support just below today's level at $77.18 and $73.86. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, the next support from accumulated volume for Shopify is at $77.18. If this level is broken, then the next support will be at $73.86 and $73.79. When it comes to the stock's movements during the day, it has average volatility and good trading volume, making the risk medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $3.32 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 4.13%. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.04%. Before we get into the potential trading levels for Shopify, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. It's common for even well-established companies to experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could be a sign of inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 2, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.210. Keep a close eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Shopify. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to keep an eye on is at $81.40. If you're not a shareholder yet, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. For those who already own Shopify shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Shopify faces its first support level at $77.18. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Shopify is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Shopify Strategic Holdings III LLC. They purchased and sold a total of 17,809,464 shares or options in the company. Based on the analysis of the 58 most recent insider trades, we have calculated a positive insider power ratio of 62.319. In these 58 trades, insiders bought 63,222,461 shares and sold 21,946,114 shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $76.38, representing a decrease of 6.04%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred 5 days ago. Is Shopify stock a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there is a buying opportunity for Shopify stock in the near future. Our analysis of the volatility and recent movements indicates that the current price of Shopify stock is undervalued. When trading resumes on Tuesday, February 20th, we expect Shopify to open up at $0.480 and start trading at $81.77. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed investment decisions, it's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Please note that StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to know what your target is for this stock. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Before we start, we'd like to wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. Now, let's dive into the analysis.